What is the best way to pick a remodeling contractor or home builder?
Choosing the right remodeling contractor or home builder can make all the difference. Picking the wrong partner in the Salt Lake City area can stretch your timeline and sink your budget. Here are 5 mistakes to avoid so your project starts on solid ground. 1. Skipping references and reviews. Talk to past clients and check recent ratings before you add anyone to your shortlist. 2. Ignoring credentials. Make sure they're licensed in Utah, properly insured, and have a clean track record with consumer protection. 3. Choosing based on price alone. Compare full proposals side by side, including scope, timeline, allowances, payment schedule, and warranty. The lowest number rarely tells the whole story. 4. Overlooking a local portfolio. Ask to see kitchens, baths, or additions completed in neighborhoods like Sugar House, Draper, or Mill Creek, so you can judge style and craftsmanship. 5. Skipping a face-to-face meeting. Spend time with the people who will run your project. Clear communication up front prevents surprises later. Looking for a builder who checks every box? Visit ironwoodcustombuilders.com to learn more about us and schedule a call. No obligation on your part, just expert insights delivered at your convenience. The journey to your perfect home begins with a conversation. Let's start today.